पप्पा डाला
कोंकटवार
हाँ
माइक अनम्यूट कर. म्यूट कर माइक. तुला ज्यावेळेस बोलायचंय त्यावेळेसच अनम्यूट करायचं, चालू ठेवायचं नाही माइक. ओके. स्पोकन इंग्लिश online education day 7th. Today's topic is on animals. We are studying the different objects, different things. Today we are studying about the animals.
सर काय लिहायचंय?
फक्त ऐकायचंय. मी जेव्हा विचारतो नाव घेतो तेव्हा बोलायचं. Okay. And animals. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and do not forget to like, comment, share to your friend. आपण जेव्हा व्हिडिओ पाहता तेव्हा त्याला लाईक करायला किंवा कमेंट लिहायला विसरू नका, म्हणजे कोण लिहिलं आणि कोण पाहिलं ते मला कळतं. ओके. And animals, you know the different animals. Animals म्हणजे काय रे कोंकटवार?
एनिमल म्हणजे प्राणी सर.
ओके. म्यूट युअरसेल्फ. चांगलं की बंद करायचं. हा तेवढं बटन ध्यानात ठेवायचं. चालू कवा करायचं आणि बंद कवा करायचं. Animals means prani. There are how many types of animals? How many types?
Two types.
Two types.
Wild and pet. Two types.
Okay. Atharva.
काय सांग?
What are the two types?
Wild animal and domestic animal.
Wild animal and domestic animals. What is the another
Wild
name of
animal and domestic animal.
What are the another name of domestic animal? Rohini Kasbe. Do you know another name of domestic animal?
Yes, sir.
Say yourself. Yes. Mansi. What is the another name of domestic animal?
Pet animal.
Pet animal. Again, another name is there. कोंकटवार माईक चालू आहे तुझा, बंद कर. आवाज येतोय. प्रीती, डू यू नो? संजीवनी.
Water animal.
Water animal is different. Pet animals, domestic animals and tame animals. पाळीव प्राणी यासाठी हे तीन प्रकार. शब्द आहेत. And wild animals, that is the different. Okay. Now see in the picture and say which animal is that or what is this. We are studying about the first question, that is what is this, and with the help of this question we are finding different answers. One question, many answers. That is our activity. एकच प्रश्न आपला वारंवार येत आहे, पण त्या प्रश्नाच्या अनुषंगाने उत्तर मात्र वेगवेगळे येत. And that activity is known as one question, many answers. I am saying to you also, prepare this type of questions and find out the many answers. Okay. After then, second activity, same question or the different answers. Same question is there. Let's see about this.
This is a cow.
This is the cow.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't say all.
This is a cow.
Don't say at a time. I am taking your name. When I call you at that time, you say, otherwise no. Only raise your hand. In the small sentence word, that is, this is cow. And in full sentence, this is the cow. What is this? This is a cow. Okay. Mansi.
This is a ox. This is ox.
Mansi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is this?
This is a ox.
Ox. This is an ox. Or not. And. This is an ox. Okay?
This is म्हणजे काय हे काय आहे.
What is this?
This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo.
This is
This is a buffalo.
this is a buffalo.
This is the buffalo.
Konkatar, what is your name?
Buffalo.
What is your name?
Sham Shata Konkat.
Soham. Buffalo. This is a buffalo.
Buffalo.
Remember pictures and remember with respect to the picture the spelling of that word.
Sham.
And every word spelling should be correct. Please remember that. What is this?
This is a dog. This is the dog. This is the dog.
This is a dog. This is a dog.
Dog.
Okay.
Doggy म्हणू.
What is
This
this?
is a cat.
This is the cat.
The cat.
This is
Jani, what is this?
This is the cat. This is the cat. This is the cat.
Yes. In one word, that is cat, and in full sentence, this is a cat. Okay. Bharat. Bharat.
This is a
I'm asking you.
horse. It is a horse. It is an horse.
This is a horse.
This is the horse.
No, I'm asking to Bharat only. I'm not taking others' name. Why you are shouting
This is
again?
a horse.
This is the horse.
Whom I calling, they give the answer. Unmute yourself.
This is
Unmute
the
yourself.
horse.
त्याला विचारलं त्यांनी चालू करा आणि उत्तर द्या. माईक बंद करा आपला. सूचना नीट लक्षात ठेवा. तास व्यवस्थित होतो. Varad, unmute yourself.
This is a horse.
Yes, horse in single word, horse. In full sentence, this is a horse. Okay.
This is a tiger. This is
Don't shout. Don't shout.
This is a tiger. One word tiger. This is the tiger.
Don't shout. Mute yourself. Did I call you? मी आपलं नाव घेतलं होतं का? मग विनाकारण का बोललात? आपलं नाव घेतल्याशिवाय बोलायचं नाही. डिस्टर्बन्स नको. संजीवनी, what is this?
This is a tiger.
Yes, tiger in single sentence word, and in the full sentence, this is a tiger. Okay. What is this, Dhanashree?
This is a lion.
Is it a lion? Harshavardhan?
Yes, sir. This is a lion. In full sentence, this is lion. In one word, this is lion.
Yes, that I require. Okay. When we say the single word, that is lion. And in the full sentence, this is a lion. Small kids give in one word, suppose Sakshi or Om, Soham, this lion, and full sentence are bigger. 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't sit. Mute yourself. Sakshi. Is there a Sakshi, Harshavardhan?
No, sir. It's me, Harshavardhan.
Okay, Gayatri, what is this?
Sir, my class time is over. Can I leave the class?
Okay, okay, let it be, let it be. Okay. Gayatri Thakur.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. In full sentence?
This is an elephant.
You want to give both answers. First and second. In single word, elephant. In full sentence, this is an elephant. Okay. Rohini Kasbe.
This deer. This is a deer.
Yes, exactly. Deer. This is a deer. This was the one question, many answers, or the same question, different answers regarding the animals. Now, many questions, many answers. If we take one animal, and if you ask the different questions about that animal, we get the different answers. This is another activity. We think about it, see in the next PPT. What is this?
This is a cow.
1 minute. Abhinav.
This is a cow.
Yes. Now here I require all the answers in full sentence. Okay. Don't say in one word. Pooja Halburge, read the question.
Do you have cow at your home?
At your home. There is no the. इथं मध्ये द नाही. उगाच घालू नका आपल्या मनाचं. Do you have cow at your home? तुझ्या घरी गाय आहे का? Indrayani, give the answer of this question. Do you have a cow at your home?
Yes. I have.
Okay. जर आपल्या घरी गाय असेल तर yes, जर नसेल तर no. Yes, I have cow at my home. Okay. Third question. Krishna, read it. Krishna, unmute yourself and read it. Yes.
Brown, sir.
What is the color of the cow?
Brown.
Okay, brown, reddish, red. Generally we say red. लाल गाय म्हणते आपण सरासरी. है की नाही? Fourth question, Dhanasri. Read it.
What is the use of it?
Why should we use the cow? Rohini Kasbe.
Yes. Is it use?
What is the use?
Yes, it is a use of cow.
No, why we use these cows? What is the use of it? What gives us? आपण गाईचा उपयोग कशासाठी करतो?
I can tell.
Yes.
It is the milk drinking of use of it.
Okay, you tried best. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. गाय ही आपल्याला दूध देते. Okay. What is the fifth question? Read it.
I can.
Mansi. Fifth question. Mansi.
Yes, sir. What does the cow eat?
Repeat again. Repeat again.
What does the cow eat?
Do आहे का ते?
I can tell.
What does the cow?
Sir,
What does the cow eat? Okay.
what does the cow eat?
Sir, I can say answer.
Sonakshi.
The does of the cow eat is grass.
Does म्हणायचं नाही बेटा. द पासून सुरू करायचं. The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. Okay. आपण हे नियमानंतर शिकणार आहोत. थोडक्यात आपल्याला एक उजळणी सारखं हे घेत आहोत. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी कुठे आहे ते आपल्याला लक्षात येतं. त्यानंतर आपण हे 10 सेशन झालं की पुढचं आपण चालू करणार. ओके. Different questions, different answers. Again, one of the animal. What is this? Pooja.
I can tell.
Pooja.
This is a tiger.
Second question. Benjalwar. Read it.
What is the color of the tiger? The
Yeah.
tiger color is black and brown.
Yes, generally the color of the tiger is yellow with respect to the black strips. Okay. Question number 3. What does the tiger eat? Abhinav.
I can tell.
I can say, sir.
Are you Abhinav?
can tell, sir.
Are you Abhinav? No. Okay, Preeti. Question number 3. Read it. Preeti. What does the tiger eat?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes.
Sir, I can say.
Yes,
Sir, I
Chaitanya.
can say the answer.
Chaitanya.
Sir, tiger.
Sir, I can.
Tiger eats.
Sir, can I tell?
Tiger eats a meat.
Yes, tiger eats meat, animals. That is meat. Okay. Fourth question, Atharva. Atharva.
Yes, sir. Do you fear to the tiger?
Now see.
Can I?
You fear to
I
the
can-
tiger.
Can I tell?
No. I am asking to Atharva. No. Atharva, what is the answer of this question? Atharva. Do you fear to the tiger? Fear या शब्दाचा अर्थ कळला का बघा? कोणाला येते याचं उत्तर?
Yes, sir. मला येते.
ओके, धनश्री.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I fear the tiger.
यस. फिअर म्हणजे भीती वाटणे. तुम्हाला वाघाची भीती वाटते का असा प्रश्न येतो. होय.
Yes.
जर वाटत असेल तर. मला वाटत नाही. नो, आय डोंट फिअर टू द टायगर.
Yes.
ज्यांना वाटतं त्यांनी यस म्हणा. मला वाटत नाही म्हणून मी नो लिहिलेलं. ओके.
सर, फिअर म्हणजे काय?
Yes.
फिअर म्हणजे भीती
Yes.
वाटणे.
Yes, sir.
फिफ्थ, वेअर डज द टायगर लिव्ह? सोहम.
Sir,
Soham, are you Soham? Why you are wasting time? Don't waste time with saying I can. Soham. Where does the tiger live? वाघ कुठे राहतो? तुझ्या घरी वाघ आहे का? सोहम. ओके, इंद्रायणी. Where does the tiger live?
Tiger live in jungle. Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
The tiger live den.
Yes, exactly. Before that,
sir, I say
the tiger lives in the forest, and in the forest in the den. Okay. These are the simple questions. Different questions, different answers. What is this?
This is the camel.
Soham, what is it?
Sir, can I say?
Soham. Komkatwar.
This is the camel.
Yes. This is a camel. Okay. Second question. Rohini Kasbe, read it. Read it.
No.
Does the camel give milk?
Ha. What is the meaning of this question, Rohini?
Sir,
What is the meaning of this question? Does the camel give milk?
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Can I say? Sir, can I say?
Can I say, sir?
Oh.
Can I say? Can I say, sir?
Can I say? Can I say? You will camel not.
I can read, sir.
Yes, Sanjivani. What is the answer of this question?
Does camel not give milk?
आता बघा, मिल्क म्हणजे काय? दूध. उंट म्हणजे दूध देते का? Does the camel give milk?
No.
No, the camel is not.
The camel give milk.
Yes, the camel gives milk. की दूध.
हा?
उंट देत नाही की दूध.
कोण देते?
उंटीन देते उंटीन.
हा, त्याला काय म्हणते?
सांड.
सांडणी. त्याला म्हणतात सांडणी. ओके? हा. No, the camel does not give milk. त्याला पण इथं या अर्थानं वापरलेलं आहे की सांडणी असं नर आणि मादी या अर्थानं वापरलेलं नाही. ओके. Does the camel give milk? Yes, the camel also gives milk. Okay. What does the camel eat?
Sir, can I say? Can I say?
Yes.
Sir, camel खाऊंगा. Sir,
Preeti.
I can say.
Preeti.
Sir, I can.
Grass.
Yes, the camel eats grass. Fourth question. Vedant. Vedant.
Camel. What do you eat, camel? A wild animal.
No, fourth question.
Yes.
Fourth question.
Yes. No.
Is it a wild animal?
Yes.
नहीं है क्या?
No. Sir, I can say. Sir, can I tell? Can I say? Sir, can I say?
Abhinav.
Sir, can I
Is it a
tell?
wild animal?
Yes.
No, it's not a wild animal. It's a domestic animal. Where does the camel find? उंट कुठे आढळतात?
Sir, I can say.
Sir, can I tell?
In
Desert.
Sir, can I say?
In desert.
Yes.
The
Correct.
camel finds
Correct.
Rajasthan.
The camel finds in the desert or the camel finds in our India in the Rajasthan. Okay. This type of questions are there. Now it's time goes for the today's homework. Here are the some pictures of animals. Some are the wild animals and some are the domestic animals. Describe the given animals in your world and tell to your friend whatever you are describing about that animal. Second question, prepare some questions and answers about this given animals. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the homework?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand? या दिलेल्या
Yes, sir.
चित्रातील सर्व प्राण्यांबद्दल माहिती लिहा. 1-4 वाक्य 5 वाक्य माहिती लिहा. जसं आपण गायीचं वाघाचं घेतलेलं आहे उदाहरण, तशी सगळ्या प्राण्यांबद्दलची माहिती लिहा आणि हे लिहिलेली माहिती आपल्या मित्रांना सांगा. बघा एवढे दिलेले आहेत प्राणी, सगळ्यांचं होमवर्क करा. हो म्हणता करत नाही असं होऊ नये. थँक्यू. If you are not subscribe to my channel, please again subscribe me. Do not forget to like, comment, share. Okay. Is there any doubt for the today's session?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it an easy
No,
way to
sir.
learn the English?
No, sir.
Yes.
Is it an easy way
Yes.
to learn English?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. It is a to.
Yes, Chaitanya, what do you want to say?
No, sir. Sir.
Hands. If you don't want to say, lower your hands. तुला काही म्हणणं असेल तर हात वर करा, अन्यथा नको. कोणाला काही विचारायचं आहे? कोंकटवार, आता माईक चालू कर. कोंकटवार, माईक चालू कर तुझा. कसं वाटलं तुला? तुझा आज पहिला दिवस होता. हा, चांगलं वाटलंय ना? छान छान चित्र होते. फक्त त्या चित्रांबद्दलचा आपण इंग्रजीत शिकलो. असंच आपण सर्व प्राण्यांबद्दलचे नावं इंग्रजीत काढली, त्याच्याबद्दलचे वाक्य इंग्रजीत लिहिले, तर आपल्याला इंग्रजी हळूहळू बोलता येतं. येईल ना नक्की असं केलं तर?
हो.
पण ते परत बघा, सर्व प्राण्यांची नावं लिहून काढा, पुन्हा बघा आणि त्याचा सराव करा. ओके. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राईट द कमेंट्स. ओके. Now I am stopping.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, dear. Is there any
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.